Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can change the volume of menu sound effects in MotoGP 24. So first open settings with triangle and then go into audio. Here scroll all the way down until you see menu sound effects, and here you can change it to your own preference. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.